Hi everyone, welcome to the Southwest Sydney Transport Vlogs. I'm Aaron. I'm just here at Bullen train station. Now, there's no passenger train operations between Ralston and Mudgee to the north that way, and Lithgow to the south that way. The line is only used for freight and special events only. So, yeah, possible train could be coming through. There's the level crossing just south of the station. Bullen is now serviced by a coach. Now, possible ticket office, not musical coming in. Okay. It could have been toilets there. One of the possible waiting rooms. And possibly just up here, staff or waiting area. Considering it is wet and muggy, this is as best I can do. It's under shade. And the station is somewhat run down due to no passenger services, which is a shame. So, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up now. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for a bit more content. Thank you.